How to flirt with a girl. 10 proven psychological techniques. Flirting can often feel like a foreign language, can't it? You watch others do it effortlessly, but for some, it's like trying to decipher a secret code. Fear not, because today we're delving deep into the art of flirting with girls. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to express interest without coming across as cheesy or creepy, stick around. We've compiled 10 psychologically proven flirting techniques that will transform you into a master of the game. Number 1. Deciphering the core purpose. Before we dive into these techniques, it's crucial to understand the purpose of flirting. At its core, flirting is about expressing your interest in a girl in a way that's captivating, intriguing, and far from the realms of cheesiness or creepiness. It's all about maintaining that fine balance between showing attraction and avoiding any over-the-top gestures. Think of it as a dance where you lead, but she's right there with you, twirling into a world of subtle communication and playful banter. Number 2. Balance in flirting. Balance is the linchpin of successful flirting. It's the art of showing your attraction while maintaining a sense of respect and intrigue. Avoid being overly aggressive, which can come across as creepy, and steer clear of being too reserved, which can make you seem disinterested. Striking the right balance is the key to effective flirting. Number 3. The push and pull technique. Our first psychological technique is the push and pull, a masterful way of keeping her intrigued. It's a playful tug-of-war with words where you compliment her subtly and then follow up with an ambiguous statement that leaves her wondering about your true intentions. It's a way to express interest while keeping the air of mystery intact. For example, you could tell her she's interesting and then playfully add that she reminds you of your little sister, leaving her captivated by your intentions. Number 4. Social dominance. Social dominance is the heart of flirting. Scientifically proven to make guys more successful with girls, this is where the magic happens. The key here is to tease her in a way that showcases your confidence and control. It's like a teasing session with your little sister, but with a romantic twist. The goal is to create a dynamic where you're leading the dance and she's willingly following your numbers. Number 5. Nonverbal signals. Your body language speaks volumes in the world of flirting. Those subtle glances and confident positioning are your tools of the trade. Use these nonverbal cues to convey that you're confident, in control, and dominant. Maintain eye contact, stand tall, and command the space around you. Number 6. Space maximization. Position yourself strategically to take up more space. Research shows that guys who use this technique are seen more favorably by girls. This simple yet effective move helps you display social dominance. It's all about spreading out and making your presence known. Number 7. Humor and playfulness. Injecting humor and playfulness into your conversation is crucial. Tease her in a way that conveys your dominance and confidence. Keep it light, enjoyable, and make her laugh. The goal is to create an environment where both of you are having fun. Number 8. Subcommunication. Girls often speak in codes through subcommunication. It's like trying to decode a secret language. Subcommunication allows you to express your interests subtly, and it's a language girls understand well. You're basically conveying your feelings indirectly, leaving room for intrigue. Number 9. Practice makes perfect. Flirting is a skill that can be mastered with practice. If you're someone who gets nervous around super attractive girls, it's perfectly normal. Start with less intimidating ones to build your confidence and skills gradually. As you get better at it, your confidence and your ability to flirt will rise significantly. Number 10. Confidence building. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Your subconscious mind needs evidence that you're attractive and capable of flirting effectively. Starting from the bottom and working your way up is a fantastic approach. Just like how successful individuals often start from the bottom and rise to the top, your flirting skills can grow incrementally. Don't rush it, take small numbers, and let your confidence blossom over time. As you continue to develop your confidence and charisma, you'll find that flirting becomes second nature. It's a skill you can master, but like any skill, it takes practice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others looking for dating advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.